Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today we're going to make a cute little snail ring. What you're going to need for this project is 18 gauge wire, 20 gauge wire. I have my ring mandrel, flat pliers, round pliers, cutters, and I have 8mm miracle beads. So I have about an 8-inch piece of wire, and I'm just going to bend it up at the halfway point, and then I'm going to put on a 8mm bead, and I want to form the spiral. We'll just hold this in place and push the wire firmly around to the front. So there's the starting point, and then we want to hold it, push the wire around to make as much of a spiral as you want. So we're just going to slowly go around. You can rotate it as you go around and around. Keep going. We're just holding the wire down with our thumb around and around. When we have enough of a spiral, we're just going to clip it flush. So just get right in there and clip it, and then the end we're going to gently push down. So there's the beginning point, and then to form the tail, we're just going to take this end. We want it large enough so we could fit an 18 gauge wire in there. We're just going to take that one around and then just bring this one straight up. So that's the beginning part here. Go a little further than you think you need and then pull it back, and that creates a little space in there. So from there, we're just going to take this, bend it down for the head and around. So there's the little head. You could do a little eye if you wanted to, but we'll just keep it simple. So we're going to bring that one up. And for the antenna, you want them quite small. So use your needle nose pliers. And we're just going to take this and bend it, push it to the front, and then bend that down. And you can pinch it a bit. And then we're just going to take this side and bend it straight up. And then we're just going to take this one, push it to the back, pinch it. We could go in with our round pliers and bend that out to form the back of the head, and then curve it down here and curve it with our finger. So there's the snail, super cute. You can actually use the same wire, go all the way around to finish the snail and end it there to make the ring, or we can use a thicker wire for the ring band. So if we want to just close this off, we're going to bring it around here, bring it over the tail, and just give it a little tug so it's gone around that wire here. Then we can get in there and clip it. And then we want to push that end in. So get your needle nose pliers and push it in just to close that gap. I have a 3-inch piece of 18 gauge wire. We're just going to bring it around the mandrel at the size that we want. And then we're going to bend up one side straight up. Then we'll measure the space we need in between. We're going to bend that one straight up. This one's going to go in the tail. You could bend that one over more. And then we're just going to pinch that. Bring that, give it a tug, and then clip it off. And from there, we're just going to push that in. And then this side, we're just going to put it right in there. We can just slide it back on the ring cone, push that one over, and then just push this wire down. Grab it with the pliers, give it a good little tug, and then we're going to clip that end. Careful the ends, they could fly, so either wear safety goggles, glasses, or hold the end when you cut it. Push it down to the position you want it before you pinch it, and then we're going to pinch it down in place so it's more fixed. We'll put it back on the ring cone, adjust the spiral down if it's gone out of place a bit, And there you have your super cute little snail ring. So if you want to finish it differently, this one I did a little tiny eye, which is cute. So we can just, as we did before, bring this wire down, bring it to the back, and then bring this one around. So we have the snail, and then we're going to use this wire to form the band. So just hold it on the cone, bring it around. So you can either secure it in here like we did before, or we can take this and just bring it around a couple of times. Give it a tug so it's firm, remove it, and then here we can just do a little loop in the back. So we'll just take our pliers, make a little tiny loop. This is just so it's not scratchy. Teeny tiny loop, give it a clip, pinch that closed, and there you have the little snail, and it's adjustable. The other thing you can do is take a longer wire, just bend it in the middle, pinch it together, straighten these out, and then you can do a kind of adjustable ring. So we're just going to take this, bring it around once and twice. Go to a smaller ring size than you think you'll need because it'll bounce back. Bend this over a little bit to make it more curved. Where the shell is going to be, just bend it straight up. So we're going to just bend it straight up, and then we can put our bead on there. And you can do your spirals. So make sure these are still lined up. Take this and bend it around. That will be for the head. And then we're just going to take this and form the head of our snail like we did before. And then we'll just get our round pliers, bring this one around, and then curve it out. So you can just very carefully hold these 3 wires together with your needle nose pliers, take this up and around. We want to hold both of those wires. Push this a little bit if you need to access it. Bring that one around here, and you could go around 2 or 3 times just to make it secure. And then clip it on the front because you don't want it scratching your finger. Pinch that in place because you want these ones to be beside each other. So pinch that in place, and then we're going to put it back on the ring cone at the size you want. Rotate that in if it needs to be rotated in a bit. Do any adjusting you want. You can bend that a little bit. And there you have your super funky adjustable snail ring. Thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.